how to change Roblox keybinds on PC. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will be showing you the easiest way to change Roblox keybinds on your Roblox PC game. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, simply head over to your game. Once you open your game application, you'll need to hit the escape button once you are inside the game. And when you hit the escape button, you will be seeing these interface like here, like in this here. And as you can see here, you will need to click on the help button over here once you click escape, and you can easily change or customize the buttons, control buttons, accordingly or according to your need, just like this. As you can see, you can change the buttons for menu items here, camera movement here. You can customize it with whatever button you like. A character movement here, for accessories here, for miscellaneous activity here. So that is it guys, that is exactly how you can easily change the controls in the Roblox. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.